What is Flutter? Flutter is an open-source mobile SDK developer. It is used to build native-looking Android and iOS applications from the same code base. Flutter is now the top 11 software repos based on GitHub stars. Moreover, we've already seen thousands of Flutter apps being published on app stores. Flutter was first announced 4 years ago in 2015 at the Dart Developer Summit. It was initially called Sky.
Flutter Alpha v0.06 was released in May 2017. Google launched the second preview of Flutter in September 2018. Google launched Flutter 1.0, the stable version of Flutter, on 5th of December 2018. On December 11, 2019, Flutter 1.12 was released at the Flutter Interactive event. On May 6, 2020, the Dart SDK in version 2.8 and the Flutter in version 1.17.0 were released, where support was added to the Metal API, for improving performance. Dart platform. Flutter apps are written in the Dart language and makes use of many of the language's advanced features. Flutter engine. Flutter's engine, written primarily in C, provides low-level rendering support using Google's Skia graphics library. Foundation library. The Foundation library, written in Dart, provides basic classes and functions that are used to construct applications using Flutter, such as APIs to communicate with the engine. Design-specific widgets. Material design widgets implement Google's design language of the same name, and Cupertino widgets implement Apple's iOS human interface guidelines. Framework architecture of Flutter.
Cross-platform development. CPD saves time, energy and money. With Flutter, you need to write the code once, maintain and can use that for 2 apps. The need is gone for developing a different code for a different platform. Accessible native features. Your app development process gets easy and delightful through Flutter's native codes, third-party integrations, and platform APIs. Hot reload. This feature enables developers and designers to have complete freedom and boosts their creativity further. Minimal code. Flutter is developed using Dart programming language. Dart uses JIT and AOT compilation that helps improve the overall startup time, functioning and accelerates the performance. Widgets. In Flutter, the widgets are given an upper hand. It is capable of developing customizable and complex widgets. Google Firebase support. The Flutter framework enables developers to make the most of Google's Firebase support as a backend. Developers can use this support for developing scalable apps. Rapid app development. Excellent and innovative features including hot reload and a single codebase can enable developers to build a feature-rich Flutter app in a short time. Expressive interfaces. An appealing and user-friendly user interface can attract a lot of people toward an app. Faster debug. The hot reload feature helps developers code faster as compared to native app development. Own rendering engine. Flutter allows you to do so much stuff with your apps that aren't available on other platforms. Increase time to market speed. This one is pretty straightforward. Flutter development framework functions quicker than its alternatives. Reduced code development time. Flutter app development several times faster due to the increased development. Simple platform-specific logic implementation. Advanced OS-level features are available. The potential ability to go beyond mobile. With Flutter, you can go far beyond Flutter app development on mobile. There's also Flutter for web and Flutter desktop embeddings now. Cost saving. Flutter app development saves a lot of bucks in development costs. Community support. This is one of the biggest benefits of Flutter. A thriving community of active developers can help developers resolve their issues quickly, thereby saving their time and efforts. Limitations of Flutter. Limited set of tools and libraries, massive file size. Weak iOS features support. Flutter is still an immature framework. Looking for right partner for your Flutter app development? Call us now.